Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, December 1st, 2009. This morning I'd like to talk about Pragmas, and just to get started I'll point out the most common use of Pragmas you'll see in the image, and that is to dynamically add menu picks to something. So here I've added bottom feeder to this menu, and to show you how that works, let's go to Browse, class named Visual Launcher, and we'll go ahead and go to the hierarchy view, pick the package BTF extensions, and there it is. So I've got a Pragma called menu item. So that's one thing that Pragmas are good for. Another thing you can do though is you can add your own Pragmas. So let's go ahead and open a browser, and we'll go down and find this little package I've just created called My Pragmas, and I've added an extension to class object. We'll go to the class side, look at My Pragmas, and here I've decided to name these Pragmas good and bad, and I've specified that they will operate on the instance side. If I wanted to specify that they operated on the class side, I'd specify that here, and here I've just decided this is what my Pragmas are going to be called. I could have 2 of them, I could have 10 of them, I could have 1 of them. To specify them, I go over here, I add a method, and inside the method I put this Pragma notation, bad. So that tells me that that's marked bad, and this one here is marked good. That's just a usage of Pragmas, not a terribly exciting one, but it shows you a couple of things that can be done. You can just use Pragmas to mark methods. So I can come in here and say, well, tell me all the bad methods in object. I'll go ahead and inspect that, and it goes ahead and returns this, and here I see that I have a message with selector bad, and it's in this method definition, this is bad. So I can search for Pragmas within the image and find all the ones of a given name. So I could use them just as a way of annotating things if I wanted, or the way we use them for menus dynamically, you can use them in a more general way to just add behavior dynamically to the system. A couple of different ways you can use this. Now when you go ahead and find class Pragma, you'll notice that there are a variety of ways you can search for Pragmas in the system. So once you've got them, you can go ahead and look for them in a number of ways. So you can sort them by arguments. So you can go ahead and hunt down Pragmas in a variety of ways once you've added them to the system, and then use them any way you want. So you can use them kind of the way I'm doing here in my little example, which is just as a way of annotating methods. You can use them the way we do for menus to dynamically add behavior to the system, or for almost any other purpose that you might come up with. So it's kind of a brief look at Pragmas. One other thing I should point out is go to the class comment, look at how Pragmas are specified here. That'll give you some more information. And that's pretty much where I wanted to leave things today. So until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.